Hi, this is Ayushi Somaya. I'm an actor, model.
And how you got a chance to work with the first level too?
And I went for the audition. And I was like कि 4 बजे audition है, मुझे जल्दी जाना पड़ेगा. 3:45 को तो class
As a creator, generation, what message you
started. Fame was never the goal. It was just the output that happened.
hard work तो है.
I never really thought कि मैं ये
तो एक तो okay, मतलब in life anything happens.
हर एक play का vibe अलग होगा.
So how many plays you have done?
Playing a manipulative voice game. तो
ये क्या होता है? पता लो लाओ.
can करी.
So what kind of stories do you dream of telling? Serious, romantic or something else?
Workshop in Mumbai at Mukesh Chhabra Park.
तो आलिया भट्ट का भी ऐसे ही था वो.
पहले तो ना एक
Atmosphere क्या होता था? The rush level tools when you got a chance तो
and she was trolled so much.
कि हो सकता है ना आगे जाके you will be a like next Alia Bhatt of Ahmedabad.
I like to conserve my energy and then use that energy where it's required.
So how do you handle?
Haters don't exist in my life.
तो आप happy कि नहीं being a ruthless? और बात मतलब and से बहुत people of like new generation has a problem.
I don't think I have a personal proper
role that change.
We want you as.
Hello everyone, welcome again Chit Chat with Harry. Today we have a very young talented guest Ayushi Somaya. She is not only social media influencer but an theater artist and now she became an actress as well. Hello Ayushi. Also thank you so much you come here. We are glad you are here.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah. Thank you. So let's begin with to understand your journey, right? So my first question is like, how did you started your journey?
Okay. So actually, I was in my first year of college and COVID was there during that time. And Theatre Club was recruiting some members, acting members for their short film. And I was like, कि यार ये तो मुझे करना ही पड़ेगा.
अच्छा.
I was genuinely, when I heard the casting call, I knew that I have to do it. So then I was like, ये तो मुझे करना ही है यार. I definitely want to do it. Then I applied for their audition and I got selected.
Oh.
That's how I started the journey. And then we shot for the short film as well, but it never really got published.
Okay.
But at least I got a part of the Theatre Club. So that's how it initially started.
Okay. And you start getting start notice at 17, right? At the age of 17.
Yeah.
So what passion you received? आपसे ऐसा क्या आपको लगा कि 17 में ही आपने social media में you start entering actually?
So actually it was I never had an intention to be noticed my intention was never same actually. I think it was the output of what I was doing. I was in the Theatre Club. So many of the photographers reached out to me saying, let's plan a shoot. And at first, I was like, karu, na karu. But then I was like, okay, fine, let's give it a try. Since I'm exploring, I'm still young to explore. So that's how it started. Fame was never the goal. It was just the output that happened. But I was always fond of performing in front of the camera. I think I flourished in front of the camera. Like my eyes shine when I see camera, when I see audience. And for an artist to have audience, especially in college, it's genuinely very fun.
So, आपको इंटरेस्ट किस में ज़्यादा लगा? Like at 17 you in theater, in social media. At 18 you entered in the theater things. So what makes you interest?
Everything was very interesting to me because till my 12th standard, I was always into books and I was always studying and I was very, very introverted. I still am. But everything, because I was in Ahmedabad University and it was college time, right? So you are exploring, you are not having much restrictions from home as well. So I did theater, I did content creation, I did modeling, I did everything that I could. So yeah.
So you entered 80 in the theater. So what makes you feel interesting in the theater actually?
I don't know actually. It's just something that I genuinely like doing.
Okay.
Yeah, and it happened very organically. I never really thought कि मैं ये क्यों कर रही हूँ. मुझे सिर्फ पता था कि मुझे ये करना है, मुझे पसंद था ये करना, तो आई जस्ट डिड इट। देयर वाज नो पर्टिकुलर रीजन बिहाइंड इट, एंड मैंने ऐसे सोचा नहीं था कि यार फ्यूचर में फिर मैं क्या करूंगी। नेवर, दैट नेवर रियली हैपेंड। इट वाज वेरी ऑर्गेनिक एंड आई जस्ट डिड इट आउट ऑफ माय जॉय एंड लव फॉर इट।
So how many plays you have done till now?
Many plays. Actually, I have done a lot of plays in my college specifically.
Okay.
Then we did a play at Micah University, and then our group got the second best actors award. So that was very special for me.
Okay.
That's when I realized that maybe I can do something around it. And then after few months, we did our first show, It's a Match.
Okay.
It was a very small role. I was playing a manipulative girlfriend kind of a role. So it was very interesting for me to do because I was single since very long time, and to play a manipulative girlfriend was very interesting to me. तो मैं सोचा कर लेती हूँ, मजा आएगा.
एक young age पे ये रोल करना it's
Yeah,
very
it's
interesting.
very fun, and it was crime related. And I'm too innocent to do any crime, but maybe to play a character who is cunning and having some second thoughts behind her, I found it very interesting.
Okay. So any backstage moment जो आपको याद हो इतने plays में आपने बहुत plays किए right?
हाँ.
Like एक backstage moment आपको ऐसा कुछ याद हो?
Actually, there are so many because हर एक प्ले का वाइब अलग होता है. जैसे कि क्राइम वाला था प्ले, so the backstage movement was very intense. The energy was very intense.
Okay.
But if we are playing a show in college just randomly, then the backstage energy is very enthusiastic. Everyone is supporting each other, being there for each other, helping each other in their makeup, helping each other in their hair. So it really depends. But हम लोग ना एक चीज हमेशा करते ही थे, 5 4 3 2 1, 5 4 3 2 1, 5 4 3 2 1, 5 4 3 2 1. That has been constant.
अच्छा.
That is for the energy. So it also मतलब fix है, 5 4 3 2 1 को we always do, and it's very fun. I love it.
Great. So Ayushi, my next question is, how does being on stage feel different from acting in front of camera?
So first of all, being in stage is like so many people having their eyes on you. But when it's camera, there are less people in front of you. And also on stage, you have to be more energetic, more loud. Your expressions have to be more loud. Your body language has to be more loud. But when it's screen, you have to be a bit subtle, and your energy can be slightly down.
Okay.
Currently तो लोग ज्यादा subtle acting prefer करते हैं rather than loud acting.
Okay.
क्यों
ये क्या होता है
करते?
subtle और loud?
Loud is like when you're in front in the stage, so you are supposed to be loud. Your energy has to be more loud, and તમારી energy audience સુધી પહોંચવી જોઈએ, તો તમારે વધારે energy દેખાડવાની. But when it's camera, you have to be more subtle. Your acting has to be more subtle. But when I jumped from theater to camera, I received a few feedbacks to be more subtle. The directors itself told me to be more subtle.
Okay.
So yeah, that's what I'm.
So in between, what theater teach you? जो शायद social media या film you cannot learn, right? So ऐसा कुछ learning.
I think being more disciplined, for sure, being more disciplined,
Okay.
then exercising a lot. I feel like preparation time मैंने theater में ज़्यादा दिया था.
Okay.
And main thing तो discipline मैंने notice
Discipline.
किया था. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I believe like
More humble also.
yeah. I believe like on stage जब आप मतलब acting like जब film कर रहे हो तो that's a different thing, but when you are on theater आपको एक छोटी छोटी चीजों का भी बहुत ध्यान रखना है.
You get one chance.
हाँ, it's a one chance. तो एक वो शायद वो feel sadness उसी के हिसाब से आपका एंगल ये वो. So I think that's like focused होके काम करना, that's that's a learning from the theater actually.
Yeah, you get only one chance to perform.
अच्छा
कैमरा के सामने you take so many retakes. मतलब तुम जितने भी
Retake ले
retakes ले सकते हो. But theater you have only one chance and you have to kill it.
correct. So now you are stepped into the Gujarati movies, right? तो वो आपका एक सब आपको क्या फील दे रहा है कि now you are staged to on the reels,
Yeah.
right? Screens.
Yes.
So आपका क्या experience है उसमें?
It's been, I think I'm still in the beginning phase and I think I'm still on the verge of shifting to the movies. Although I did a movie last year which never really got out, so I'm a bit sad about that. Like, मैं 1.5 year पहला एक 1.5 साल पहले मैंने
नहीं मतलब देखो कैसा होता है मूवी रिलीज तो जैसे सलमान की भी पहली मूवी बनी थी वो कभी रिलीज नहीं हुई हाँ so I know that
लेट for that.
so it's okay मतलब in life anything happens I build many products in my career जो कभी लॉन्च ही नहीं हुई so it's happened but it is all about learning see अगर आप लाइफ में पहले ही सब सक्सेस देख लेते हो तो फिर आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा ना सक्सेस क्या है तो अभी जब आपकी मूवी लॉन्च होंगी जब मूवीज में आओगे सो नाउ यू फील दैट लेवल की वो क्या मैंने स्टेज देखे हैं क्या देखा है दैट्स आई थिंक दैट्स अ लर्निंग
नाम एक्सपीरियंस कि ऑन सेट एनवायरनमेंट कैसा होता है एंड आल्सो आई एम excited for Rush. So yeah, I am excited for the response of the audience.
Uh-huh. So is there any film role that really stayed with you?
I think I did a web series, Love Station.
Okay.
And I did a girlfriend's role.
Again, girlfriend. Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, so that girlfriend was really upset with her boyfriend and they were having a rough patch and she was not really happy with him. So I did a monologue in that
अच्छा
web series. So I do connect to that character a lot.
अच्छा
हाँ, like, तेव केम करी आउ करवानो હતું.
That's a song.
That role was very fun and I connected to that character instantly.
इसीलिए आपको याद है वो for the girls like that easily relate actually.
Yeah, complaining to a boss and ये नहीं किया, ये करना चाहिए था, ये भी नहीं किया, देखो ना कैसा है ये. तो
That's true actually. So do you still follow any theater habits like warm up before the acting or shooting?
So we were going to participate in Veena Valley competition and it was a physical theater sort of a role. Although I did not really do it, but I did attend that workshop. So there were certain exercises that I continued in my gym.
Okay.
Because those activities were really helpful.
अच्छा
Yeah.
तो वो तो आई थिंक अब जगह काम आएगा जब when we become bigger actors तब भी ऐसे ही चलता रहेगा.
Of course. It did help me.
So what kind of stories do you dream of telling? Serious, romantic or something else?
Everything. I think I'm interested in playing different kind of roles which inspire me, which I want to portray. Romance, action, comedy, sadness. Because you're an actor, so I think it would be better if I'm open to new roles. For example, Vash was completely different and Love Station was completely too different.
So actors या एक्टर्स होते हैं एक्टर्स ऐसे तो उनकी आई थिंक जर्नी ऐसी होती है कि एक जो रोल वो चालू करते हैं चाहे वो फिर हेरा फेरी में देख लो या पुराने देख लो जो भी है तो जो रोल वो चालू करते हैं उस रोल को कंटिन्यू करना पड़ता है उनको राइट तो फिर तो आपने ऐसा क्या सोचा है कि आई वांट टू कंटिन्यू दिस जर्नी लाइक मे बी रोमांटिक मूवीज मे बी हॉरर मूवीज और सम रोल जो आपको लगेगा कि नहीं आई एम वेरी फिट इन दैट.
अच्छा, I think I would love to do romance. Screen romance I really like. But for my acting experiences, I'm open to anything that's acting. You can also give me a mother's role and I will enjoy it. हाँ,
Then please.
for sure, I will enjoy. Yeah, definitely.
And let's go back to. So, have you done any workshops?
Of course, I have done. I did a workshop in Mumbai at Mukesh Chabra Casting Company. Then I did at Atul Mongia sir. And of course, when I was in my Ahmedabad University, there were a lot of directors who used to come and teach us.
Okay.
So I have done that as well.
So, how's your experience with the Mukesh Chabra's workshop?
It was pretty good. Sir is very fun and he's very chill and he will give you very honest opinions. So he will be very blunt and he will tell you the industry facts and truths which I was not aware of.
Okay.
So yeah, it was like an eye-opening workshop and he also guided me कि किस चीजों पे आपको काम करना चाहिए.
Okay.
And I'm trying to incorporate that in my routine life.
Okay. And how you got a chance to work with the first level too?
So actually, I was casted. So I was just scrolling through Instagram and then I saw that Casting Craft is casting a few actors for a production house.
Okay.
So I thought कि अभी ठीक है चलो ना audition दे के आती हूँ.
Okay.
And I was in my last year of university at that time.
Okay.
So I finished my classes, changed literally in like 10 minutes and then I went for the audition. I was like कि 4 बजे audition है मेरे को जल्दी जाना पड़ेगा 3:45 को तो क्लास खत्म हो रहा है मेरा. I literally went from HL to Sindhu Bhavan in like rapid speed and then I went for the audition and there was Pratik sir, there were Bhavesh sir and a lot of assistant directors. And then I gave the audition.
अच्छा. So आलिया भट्ट का भी ऐसे ही था वो आई थिंक सी वाज ऑन 12th और फिर उनको अचानक से फोन आया और भाई उनका कि भाई यू नीड टू डू इट तो सीधा वहाँ से वहाँ चले गए. So I think very young age, I think you have done a great start, I believe. Yeah. So atmosphere क्या होता था जब वर्स्ट लेवल टू when you got a chance तो वहाँ पे काम किया तो क्या atmosphere था?
Actually, scenes were very heavy. Okay. And it required a lot of aggression and intensity, right? But I made friends over there. तो हम लोग तो बहुत ही चिल करते थे, हम लोग बहुत फन करते थे. मुझे लिटरली कभी-कभी लगता था कि यार वेकेशन चल रहा है मेरा, क्योंकि शॉट ऐसे दिन में जल्दी नहीं आते थे. प्रोडक्शन में भी काफी टाइम लगता है टू प्रिपेयर अ शॉट, टू प्रिपेयर अ सीन. टाइम लगता था तो उस ड्यूरेशन में हम तो बहुत ही मस्ती मजाक करते थे. एंड जब शॉट आने वाला होता था उसकी 1-2 मिनट पहले वी यूज्ड टू बी अग्रेसिव देन.
अच्छा. फुल डे शूट और कैसा होता था फुल डे शूट?
हाँ, फुल डे शूट.
क्योंकि जो व्हाट आई अबाउट द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में पता है कि सलमान, शाहरुख खान, ये सबके ऐसे होता था. वो सुबह निकल जाते और वो लोग शाम को ही घर आते थे. मतलब दे हैव टू डू एवरीथिंग ऑन द स्टेज और जो शूट पे वो सब वहीं पे करना होता है वो फुल डे. तो आपके में ऐसा ही होगा फुल डे?
मॉर्निंग टू इवनिंग यू हैव टू बी देयर.
Okay. And how was your experience with Krishna Dev Yagnik show?
Sir is very fun. His energy is very positive. His aura is very positive. And I remember I was not able to do one shot properly and I was very nervous. Because both Muthu set है ना, everyone is looking at you. So I got a bit conscious. I got a bit nervous. But the moment he came and he was like, be comfortable, chill, you'll be able to do it. And in fact, Yash sir and Krishnadev Yagnik sir, they were very sweet, supportive, and their aura was very positive and chill. So it was very.
कोई ऐसा नहीं है मतलब स्ट्रिक्ट डायरेक्टर्स की तरह कि नहीं ऐसे ही करना है, ऐसे ही करना है?
No, not at all. I was also, yeah, his vibes were very positive and chill. And he's a great human being. He's very helpful and he's very understanding. So I'll tell you a moment, okay? We were doing a scene, Jema, I got a bit injured, okay? And then I started crying because I'm a bit of a crybaby and મને થોડી injury થઈ હતી. The scene was a bit heavy. He literally asked me ke calm down, relax, it's okay, we'll do this scene later. And we literally did that scene later in the next day. And that was very sweet and considerate of him.
That's a supportive, actually.
Yeah, he understood.
Okay.
Yeah, so that was very sweet.
Oh. So I think theater, then the actress things. Now let's move on the some social media influencing side. So I have seen your Instagram, and I can see that photo shoot, brand invites, and many more things. So how you manage those things actually?
So it's been like 4 or 5 years since I started doing that. At first, मैं तो एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करती थी कि मैं इन्फ्लुएंसर हूँ. मैंने पता नहीं, I was like because
फॉलोवर्स आ गए इसलिए मतलब
पता नहीं. I mean, at that time I was in the beginning phase and I was still in the university college first second year में. You notice a shift in your friends' behavior. कि why are they treating me a bit differently? Why are they calling me influenza? And I was like कि यार मैं नहीं हूँ influencer guys, यार please. पहले तो मैंने एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं किया था. But then I remember juggling myself between classes to shoot to classes to shoot. And it was very hectic. क्लास खत्म होता था और मैं शूट में जाती थी. शूट खत्म होता था और मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में जाती थी. Then after 2 years I realized कि नहीं यार, मैं जो इतनी मेहनत कर रही हूँ, I think now you guys can call me influencer.
तो आपको ऐसा कब रियलाइज हुआ कि कितने फॉलोअर्स आपके हो गए, तो आपको व्हेन यू थिंक लाइक नाउ आई थिंक आई एम अ माइक्रो इन्फ्लुएंसर और समथिंग?
I think it happened when I hit 50K.
Okay, 50K.
Then I was like, हाँ ठीक है, now you can call me an influencer. Till that time I was like, don't call me that. I'm just a regular girl and I still feel that I'm a regular girl.
या रिसेंटली आज मॉर्निंग में मैंने एक आर्टिकल पढ़ा था टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में भी. तमन्ना भाटिया ने लिखा था कि नाउ दिस इज द एरा ऑफ क्रिएटर्स एक्चुअली. So we must have to support the influencers and creators because as a actress we are also learning how to become influencers. So they are like now the actress everyone is knows like there is two phase. आप एक तो actress बन रहे हो, सब बन रहे हो, और now the second chance is you become the influencer and then you got a chance to enter into the right. That happens. So I think that's the right thought and like अब इतनी बड़ी एक्ट्रेस अगर लिख रही है that means everyone knows about कि social media is all about actually.
Yeah, it is very important these days. I didn't realize the importance of it till the last few months actually. कि oh my god, social media is important.
Actually it is important. अगर आपका प्रेजेंस जो आप रियल लाइफ में हो और वो आपको रियल लाइफ में डालना है तो उस चीज को भी मेंटेन करना पड़ता है. प्लस अगर आप देखने जाओ तो आप क्या शूट दे रहे हो, आप क्या पोस्ट कर रहे हो, एवरीथिंग मैटर्स देन बिकॉज यू बिकम इन्फ्लुएंसर. और नाउ द थिंग इज अब फॉर द ब्रांड्स दे आर नॉट लुकिंग फॉर कि आप बड़े एक्टर्स को बुलाए. दे हैव अ स्ट्रेटेजी कि भाई अब लेट्स इनवाइट 50 इन्फ्लुएंसर्स. अब 40-50 को बुला लो और अब उनका मिलियंस में चला जाएगा. सारे अगर आप एक एक्ट्रेस बुलाओ या कोई बड़े को तो जो कॉस्ट हो रही है उसी में आप 30-40 एथलीट बुला सकते हो जो बहुत अच्छे हैं, जो मतलब आपके लिए दिलो जान लगा देगी करने के लिए. सो आई थिंक दिस इज द ट्रेंड और क्रेजी थिंग्स. और आज तो एज भी मैटर नहीं कर रही है. व्हाट आई बिलीव कि यू हैव स्टार्टेड एट 17. इवन आई हैव सीन लाइक वेरी स्मॉल kids, they have started getting tractions on social media.
Yes, yeah, there are such good mothers who are married and then they join the social media and they are flourishing.
Right, actually.
So they are very inspiring.
करना चाहिए actually. मतलब everyone have a second option like कि आपको आपका शायद आपका करियर कुछ भी हो सकता है. Because अभी recently I did a podcast with Subham Malu. Like वो he's CA.
अच्छा, oh wow.
और ना ही become influencer as well actually.
Yeah.
तो उनके भी I think 100K 150K जैसे फॉलोवर्स है, और वो सिर्फ सीए और कंटेंट, सीए का कंटेंट पब्लिश करते हैं। तो नाउ थिंग इज व्हाट आई रियलाइज कि आपका जो करियर है वो भी एज आप सोशल मीडिया में लेके जा सकते हैं, और या तो जब सोशल मीडिया से स्टार्ट करो और आप फिर वहां से करियर बना सकते हैं। सो ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटीज आई बिलीव।
That's true, for sure.
So are you same on the online and offline as well?
So I think it really depends. Offline, if you meet me, I'm introverted. I'm a bit shy. I'll be in my own little world. I'll be watching some content or I'll be reading a book. I'm a bit introverted. If you meet me in person, and I'll take my time to trust you and build a good conversation. But I don't know, once the camera pops in, like the supu panwan and over pani nakwan, then it flourishes. It's like that. Yeah, so in front of camera, I think I just switch. There's a switch.
तो आप मतलब आपका जन्म ही कैमरा के लिए हुआ है ऐसे?
हो सकता है. I don't know. Maybe.
So how do you stay creative without copying trends and comparing yourselves?
Okay. So I've always been very secure with myself and very open with how I am, and I even have a tattoo of self-love actually. So I have never really felt I need to copy anything or anyone. I highly feel that you should accept yourself the way you are.
अच्छा.
And then make changes in yourself if you feel they are required.
अच्छा.
But of course, you should follow trends. If you want to get viral, follow trends, follow hashtags.
Right.
So follow that, but add your own little element to it. Don't completely follow that trend, or don't completely follow the exact reel that someone else made. Add your own creativity to it.
तो आपका ऐसा कोई रोल मॉडल, जैसे आप भी एक एक्ट्रेस, थिएटर आर्टिस्ट, देन आप सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर्स भी हो, और नाउ यू बिकम एक्ट्रेस एज वेल, ऐसा कोई रोल मॉडल आपको पता हो कि हाँ, आई वांट टू बी लाइक दैट?
I actually love Alia a lot.
आलिया ना?
Yeah, I think she's perfect. And she started at a very young age.
यारी
And she was trolled so much. And
इसने बहुत
I received a lot of hate.
actually.
Yeah, in the beginning phase, I did. So I do connect to her, and I genuinely like her a lot. Huge fan.
तो मे भी हो सकता है ना आगे जाके यू विल बी लाइक नेक्स्ट आलिया भट्ट ऑफ अहमदाबाद.
Fingers crossed.
That's true. Nice. So do you feel like you are always performing even when you are just posting online?
I don't know. I don't know if I'm performing when I'm posting something. But of course, a bit of it is also for the audience, maybe. If the audience will like it or not. If this caption is catchy or not. Because for you, audience is God.
Like,
For sure. Audience is God. And it really matters.
actually it matters.
It matters, no? So, I don't know if I'm performing, but yeah, I'm still myself, no matter what.
So when you are posting on Reel, so are you planning anything, or like you are just go with the flow?
So if it's a brand collaboration reel, of course, it's planned and curated. And of course, there are a lot of negotiations that go into making a script, building a script for the brand, and planning things out. When are we going to post it? When will it be live? Everything is planned and curated that way.
Okay.
But if it's my personal content, I'm very random. I might post it रात को 12 बजे, or I might also post it सुबह 8 बजे. I feel like if it's a good content, it will go viral no matter what the timings are. Timings do matter. In the beginning, it matters. But if the content is good, it will
When you
viral.
when you have an audience, so I think फिर आपको फिर आप कभी भी डाल रहे हो, they will notice.
Yes, definitely.
अच्छा. So any tips for the new creators?
be yourself, be authentic.
But in the real world, how authentic कैसे रह सकते हैं?
That's true. Be catchy. I think what I have tried to do is I post for myself, for my growth.
Okay.
I don't post it for someone else or to impress someone else. If
Okay.
you are starting content creation, never try to impress someone else or मैं मेरे ex को जलाने के लिए post कर रही हूँ. Never. Don't do that. Genuinely, it won't work. But if you feel your best, then post.
Okay.
For sure, post.
And any tips for the brands? Like generally क्या हो रहा है कि brands are inverting influencers or something.
Yeah.
So what tips or what suggestions we can give to the brands?
I think to brands to give more creative freedom to the creators. Yeah, because what happens is they give their own script
Okay.
to us and they tell us what to do. I think we are creators for a reason, na?
Okay.
And I know what works for my audience and what doesn't work for my audience. So if you give the creator some creative freedom, your reel will definitely do good.
Okay.
But if you're not giving the creative freedom and you're telling them exactly how it should be according to your POV, then the reel won't turn that great and the outcome won't come.
So brands में ऐसा मतलब I think होता ही होगा क्योंकि they have own set of rules, guidelines,
Yeah, there are
right?
a lot of rules.
Right. Even like in past, I like when I was on very active on Twitter. So I have seen like brands. I have to tweet something or something. Even some contest I played. So what I realized कि मतलब brands have very strict rules and guidelines.
Yeah,
Or I think for the creators they need freedom,
of course.
right?
That's
आप-
why they are creating.
हाँ. Or even what I believe कि as a influencer, even as a brand, आपको सेलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा कि आपको कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म वाले इन्फ्लुएंसर्स लाने. समटाइम्स इट हैपन लाइक जो इंस्टाग्राम में चल रहा है बंदा, राइट, और वही अगर आप सोचो कि मुझे नहीं ट्विटर पे भी यही चाहिए तो नहीं चलता है. समटाइम्स सम आर गुड इन लिंक्डइन, राइट. तो जो जहाँ चल रहा है या आपका निश, जैसे अगर हेल्थ केयर वाले बंदे हैं तो हेल्थ केयर, इफ यू इनवाइट हेल्थ केयर इन्फ्लुएंसर्स तो आई थिंक उनको ज्यादा ब्रांड्स को ज्यादा ट्रैक्शन मिलेगा. Here, I think this guideline or guidance the brands must take.
Yeah, of course, of course. It is very important to know the creators' plus points and weak points.
Okay.
Then you should form guidelines. For example, if I'm good in store visit reels, then if you give me store visit reels, I'll be really good at it.
Okay.
So, yeah.
That's depend कि आप कौन सा इन्फ्लुएंसर क्या ज्यादा कर रहा है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड कर रहा है.
Exactly. Then build the script. Then it will flourish.
तो आपको कब लगा कि you become influencer?
Once I reached 50K, that's when I felt, okay, now maybe I'm an influencer.
अच्छा.
Till that time, I was just doing it for fun.
Okay. So based on that, there is one question comes in my mind, like how you are active, fit and fine, right? So how you decided to go gym and what was the motive behind it?
Okay. Actually, I was going through a heartbreak at that time.
Oh.
So that's why to heal myself and I felt like maybe I need to work on myself.
अच्छा. So heartbreak हो तो आपको
One else.
So heartbreak हो तो आपको जिम जाना चाहिए.
हाँ, for sure. Rather than
So-
being distracted.
So I believe make yourself work out on yourself. आप खुद पे काम करो. That's what you want to say.
I think मुझे खुद पे पहले ज्यादा काम करना चाहिए. And I used to do so much gym. मैं 2-3 घंटे जिम में रहती थी.
2-3 hours.
हाँ, and then I used to be all angry and वो anger तुम्हें कहीं तो निकालना पड़ेगा ना, rather than having 2-3 cheesecakes in a day, burgers and pizzas. I felt कि नहीं यार, इससे अच्छा मैं जिम चली जाती हूँ and then मैं जिम आके सो जाती.
So I have seen gym and then after I seen the salads. So
Yeah.
do you like how you plan your meals? Like
Okay. So actually, I'm a big time foodie. I think about food all the time. अभी मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं घर जाके क्या खाऊंगी. In the middle of conversation, मैं सोच रही थी कि अभी मैं घर जाके क्या खाऊंगी. I will definitely include salad in my diet for sure. And then I'll also eat sabji roti. So yeah, I actually have 2 breakfasts in the morning. And chai is like I need to have chai. I'm a big time chai lover. So
wow.
for breakfast, हाँ चाय तो यार
Me, my team player, everyone knows.
chai is like a mandate. So I have chai nashta and then I have like proper breakfast, which can be upma, poha, oats, anything healthy. So chai के बाद I have something healthy breakfast. Then I'll have my lunch. Lunch में I'll have a big salad bowl, but I'll also have something else like sabji roti, dal rice, or something like that.
And still you are fit and fine.
Yeah,
That's your good.
good. That's good. Metabolism.
Nice. Ayushi, what's something simple you do daily that makes you calm and happy?
I think being with myself. As I mentioned earlier, I'm an introvert.
Okay.
So in the morning, I am with myself completely, and that gives me so much peace and joy. And I feel that your energy is very precious. You
Okay.
keep it to yourself. And yeah, I'm a strong believer of that. That don't waste your energy on negative people, too many people. I like to conserve my energy and then use that energy where it's required with the right people.
Okay.
I have very limited friends and I'm with my family on my Sundays and Saturdays and we go out for dinner, we go out for movies, and I go for movies alone as well.
Alone.
Yeah, I go to movies alone. It's very fun. I go to cafes alone. And that just gives me so much joy and calm. You should always conserve your energy and use that where it's required. Don't use your energy on short-term people.
I got it. So you talk about the heartbreak. तो जब ये दिल टूटता है तो उस टाइम पे आप क्या करना चाहिए? So to move on.
I think work on yourself and cry.
Cry.
Accept it.
How boys will cry.
अरे हाँ but
दिल तो दोनों का टूटता है ना एक्चुअली.
maybe but accept that this has happened. Accept your feelings. कि ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, it's okay. Cry about it, wept it out. Have cheesecake. Have anything that's required. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो एक्सेप्टेंस में ही आधे लोग कि यार मुझे कुछ नहीं हुआ, डिनायल में चले जाता है कि
अच्छा.
हाँ फिर उनको लेटर रियलाइज होता है कि शिट दिस वाज एक्चुअली इम्पोर्टेंट. बट लड़कियां यूजुअली पहले ही दिल टूट के ऐसे बैठ जाती कि यार मेरा दिल टूट गया. तो मैं तो बहुत महीने तक रोती रहती हूँ. एंड देन आई इवेंचुअली मूव आउट ऑफ इट एंड नाउ यू आर अ हील्ड पर्सन.
Okay.
Your heart is more open to accept love.
Okay. So do you journal, meditate, or have any rituals that feed your creativity?
I journal. I write down my feelings. I write down my feelings a lot. And this will be a bit tricky to digest, but I talk to ChatGPT.
Wow. I used to.
हाँ, I talk to ChatGPT कि यार ये हुआ मेरे साथ, ये हुआ, ये ऐसे गया था. And then ChatGPT is very supportive. वो सब तुम्हें लंबे लंबे पैराग्राफ लिख के तुम्हारी फीलिंग्स को वैलिडेट करेगा.
हाँ, जब आप ChatGPT को बोलो कि भाई मुझे सिर्फ आप हैप्पी नहीं, बीइंग अ रूथलेस, आप मुझे सही एडवाइस दो, तो वो आपको ये भी बताएगा कि ऐसा होता है. तो आई यूज्ड टू टॉक एक्चुअली a lot क्योंकि मेरे को तो काम के लिए होता है. समटाइम्स आई कंफ्यूज्ड यार ये होगा कि नहीं होगा. सो आई यूज्ड टू आस्क कि भाई
Yeah, I do. You know what? Sometimes I ask ChatGPT कि which pictures should I post? And ChatGPT is like ये फोटो तो आपको डालना ही चाहिए. You look so beautiful in it.
वाह. अच्छा देखो, मतलब आपको एक एडवाइजर मिल जाता है, जैसे आप यू आर गो अलोन, यू थिंक अलोन, तो आपके साथ एक है जो आपके लिए, सो आपके सोच रहा है।
वही 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 है कि देखो मुझे प्रोफेशनली कौन सा फोटो बेस्ट लग रहा है, आप बताओ। वो बोलेगा ये प्रोफेशनली बेस्ट फोटो है, एंड आई पोस्ट दैट।
वाह, नाइस एक्चुअली।
या
सो डू यू बिलीव इन गॉड?
आई डू बिलीव इन गॉड। आई थिंक I genuinely believe in God. I think he's right there somewhere here when watching me.
हाँ, वो तो है ही, मतलब आप जब आपको लगता है कि आपके साथ कोई नहीं है, तो बिहाइंड द सीन एक कोई तो आ जाता है,
कोई तो there is some
देयर इज एनर्जी। मतलब आप उसको ऑरा बोलो, या ऐसी कैसा होता है कि भगवान खुद नहीं आते, बट यू दे कम विद द पीपल। शायद कोई एक अच्छा पुराना दोस्त आ गया या कोई आ गया जिसकी वजह से यू गेट मोटिवेट, आपको एक नया रास्ता मिल गया, यू स्टार्टेड समथिंग। आई थिंक दैट्स अ गॉड।
That's true. There is for sure some energy, you call it God or anything, but there is God.
एंड डू यू बिलीव इन मैनिफेस्ट?
For sure. For sure. You know what? I was in my 12th standard. I was a very studious, introverted kid. Very introverted. I don't think I was good looking as well, even I don't know why. But I used to talk to myself in front of the mirror and introduce myself. Hi, this is Ayushi Somaya. I'm an actor, model, theater artist. मैं लिटरली ये मिरर के सामने बोलती थी. एंड समटाइम्स मैं क्लास में भी मेरे डेल्यूजनल वर्ल्ड में थी कि यार व्हाट इज मेरा होर्डिंग हो, तो आई डिडंट इवन नो कि कैसे होगा. आई डोंट हैव अ बैकग्राउंड. माय पेरेंट्स आर बोथ इन अ कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट डायनामिक. मुझे पता नहीं था कि ये कैसे होगा, बट आई यूज्ड टू स्टिल बी इन माय डिल्यूजनल वर्ल्ड कि नहीं यार ये होगा, पता नहीं कैसे होगा बट ये होगा, और ये हुआ.
बिलीव एक्चुअली,
या यू जस्ट बिलीव इट.
तब हो जाता है ना।
हाँ तब हो जाए.
व्हेन यू थिंक पॉजिटिव ना कि नहीं ये होगा, जनरली व्हाट हैपन, लाइक न्यू जनरेशन हैज अ प्रॉब्लम एक्चुअली, कि वो पहले ही एक वो डार्क वर्ल्ड में चले जाते हैं कि यार ऐसा ही होगा, मेरी लाइफ ऐसी चल रही है। आई नो मैनी पीपल, तो उनकी स्टोरी वही रहती है पूरे दिन, मतलब जब भी मिलो यार सर देखो मेरी लाइफ ऐसी हो गई है, मेरा ये हो गया है, ये हो गया है, वो हो गया है। व्हाई ऑलवेज थिंक नेगेटिव, बट आई बिलीव तो जब आप पॉजिटिव सोचना चालू करते हैं
होगा,
तब आपका है ना सब पॉजिटिव होना चालू होता है।
यूनिवर्स विल लिसन टू यू.
करेक्ट.
And you never know how it will happen, but it will happen, and universe will give you a chance. You need to know that this is the opportunity, grab it.
करेक्ट.
Many people don't understand that this is the right opportunity for me right now.
भाई
You need to know कि अभी ये opportunity, काफी लोग यार ये opportunity के लिए wait कर रहे हैं, and if you're getting some opportunity, do it. Explore. Life is all about exploring. Have fun. Life is short. Just grab that opportunity and give your everything to it.
तो लाइफ लंबी नहीं अच्छी होनी चाहिए,
अच्छी होनी चाहिए, for sure. Cheers.
So how you handle stress and pressure, like आप बहुत कुछ कर रहे हो, राइट? ब्रांड्स इनवाइट होता है, कभी आप मतलब आप थिएटर में भी होता है आपका, अभी एक्ट्रेस भी बन गए हो, तो इवन अब पर्सनल लाइफ भी होती है, फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स. So how you handle that stress?
I'm still trying to figure it out. I haven't found the perfect way to it. In work-life balance, it's like only work. I don't think I have a proper personal life. I have like very few friends and my mom, dad, and my little sister. So I'm still trying to figure out how do I balance that. And but I try to be with my parents and talk to them. And my little sister, she's very young and she's very cute. So whenever I feel down, I just look at her and life feels good.
हाँ, तो जब आप फैमिली मेंबर्स मिल जाते हैं तो आई थिंक सारी स्ट्रेस दूर हो जाती है। बट आई बिलीव कि चाहे काम हो, आई फॉरगेट, लाइक यू फॉरगेट एवरीथिंग कि यार यस नाउ आई हैव फैमिली। एक फैमिली के साथ बैठ के आपने कुछ खा लिया, पी लिया, फॉरगेट एवरीथिंग।
परफेक्ट. या मम्मी सिर्फ मुझे सुबह चाय बना के दे दे एंड इट जस्ट मेक्स माय मॉर्निंग सो मच बेटर. There will be a difference between me making a chai and her making a chai for me.
बात लगे आई पूरी मम्मी याद आ गई या एक्चुअली लाइक अभी तो मैं इधर रहता हूँ तो मेरी मॉम इधर रहती है तो the same way actually.
Yeah.
So in today's busy world, how do you stay truly present?
You know what? I did a workshop at Atul Mongia sir, and he taught us to be present and be in the moment.
Okay.
I am still a very impulsive person. I think a lot, and I am still a delulu person. कि अरे ये करना है, यहाँ पे खाने जाना है, वहां पे खाने जाना है, अभी दूसरा शूट है. लेकिन he taught us how to be present.
Okay.
And be in the moment, and then you can give your everything to it.
So as a Gen Z generation, like you are Gen Z generation, right? So as a creator, Gen Z generation, what message you pass to the new generations, this generation?
I think be more open. And there is a dark world, but be in the light. There is always light. There is always positivity. And there is no shortcut to hard work.
Okay.
Gen Zs want quick success. Quick success is not possible.
नहीं मिलता.
हाँ, there is no shortcut to hard work.
Hard work तो है.
करना ही पड़ेगा.
How smartly you are doing, that's me.
Yeah. हाँ, there is a thing called luck. But luck हमें
luck के बिना तो मतलब देखो what I believe कि मतलब जो बहुत टॉप में जाता है ना जो हार्ड वर्क तो करता ही है और जिसका लक साथ में होता है ना वो बहुत जल्दी चला जाता है.
Luck matters.
हार्ड वर्किंग people also get success but शायद टाइम लेते हैं राइट और शायद कुछ लकी पैदा होते हैं
कुछ लोग
और जो शायद लाइक आप देखो छोटे जो किड्स इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हैं इवन आपका एज लाइक एज पे यू आर डूइंग गुड राइट बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो.
But there is someone who has better luck than me and they are flourishing.
So एक सबका अलग अलग है luck but that matters actually.
For sure. But why to depend on someone else or some other energy?
Correct.
Instead, give your everything.
Right.
And luck will follow you eventually.
हाँ मतलब आप मेहनत नहीं करो तो फिर तो कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. Like हार्ड वर्क तो करना पड़ेगा. Okay. Even as you said कि आप introvert और like कम बोलते हो right? So even I have seen बहुत सारी गर्ल्स भी ऐसे ही हैं and they want to become creators और उनको अपनी voice लेके आनी है पर somehow like they are not able to express or not able to do on these things on social media. So आपको क्या मैसेज आपको ये जनरेशंस के लिए और ये गर्ल्स के लिए पास करना चाहिए?
Just do it. Don't listen to other people. Don't listen to someone else, your papa, chacha, mummy, cousins, your friends, your boyfriend. Don't listen to them. Listen to it because if you want to do it, just do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
How we handle the self-doubt actually? Because ये जनरेशन यही होता है कि सेल्फ डाउट आ जाता है कि यार मैं कर पाऊंगा कि नहीं कर पाऊंगा.
सब में कुछ ना कुछ सेल्फ डाउट होता है. Everyone is insecure about something or the other thing. Everyone is insecure. Everyone has their own self doubts. Even the biggest actors have their own insecurities. The biggest people in the world have their insecurities. But still they do it because you gotta do what you gotta do. Do it anyway.
Okay. So self doubt हो या ना हो but at least you have to try it. जब आप try करोगे तो definitely you can do that.
हाँ. Overcome that self doubt. For example, I got an opportunity for anchoring in Mandli Garba. Okay.
अच्छा.
हाँ. It was a few years back and I had never done anchoring in my life. Never. And I was like, यार मैं कैसे करूँगी? But मैंने theater किया था. So I had that confidence.
Okay.
And I was again going through a heartbreak at that time. तो मेरा self esteem तो इतना मतलब नीचे हो गया था. But then I was like, नहीं यार, if they are believing in me, if they are telling me कि we want you as a face, we want you to do anchoring for 9 nights, if they are believing in me at my worst, then I think I can do it.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Last few questions. So, how do you handle the hate online and offline?
Haters don't exist in my life. I don't care what they think about me. I care what I think about myself. I do care what my close friends think of me. I do care what my little sister thinks of me. I do care what my parents think of me.
Okay.
But I don't really care what the hate comments are, what some colleague thinks of me. I really don't care. And I think you shouldn't really care.
Yeah, actually, वो तो online वाले हैं, offline नहीं.
कुछ भी बोलेंगे. Yeah.
And as an artist, have you tried to unlearn anything?
Unlearn anything. So I used to plan things a lot. मैं बहुत ही planning करती थी कि ये साल तक तो ये हो ही जाना चाहिए, ये साल तक ये हो ही जाना चाहिए. But I realized कि for example I actually did त्रिशा ऑन द रॉक्स में एक बहुत ही माइन्यूट रोल था मेरा, एंड उसका कॉल मुझे एक दिन पहले आ रहा था.
अच्छा.
हाँ. एंड देन इट जस्ट हैपेंड. सो बी मोर ओपन. पहले मैं बहुत ही प्लानिंग प्लॉटिंग करती थी कि इस टाइम पे क्लास जाना. मेरा 11 बजे क्लास था एंड उसका शूट था सुबह के 7 बजे. I was like, what if the shot doesn't end and I miss my class and there was a test at 11 o'clock in the morning? So be more open. It's okay if things don't go as you planned. It's okay. Just surrender to the process. And I was in that moment and I finished that shot on time without being anxious कि 11 बजे क्लास है, जल्दी शॉट खत्म करो. नहीं, I was in that moment, I did my shot and then I told them कि अभी मेरा शॉट हो गया, can I go? मेरा क्लास है. That's it. If I was anxious कि भाई 11 बजे क्लास है, फटाफट खत्म कर देना, वो भी चिढ़ जाते हैं.
हाँ.
मैंने प्लान किया था ना कि 11 बजे खत्म हो जाना चाहिए तो हो जाना चाहिए. नहीं, इट्स ओके. नाउ यू आर हियर, सरेंडर टू द मोमेंट. तुम देख लेना, जाएगा.
That's true. So, as you said, you are a pro in ChatGPT बहुत यूज करते हो. So, AI tools का आपका क्या thought है? आप are you utilizing any AI tools in your daily life?
Only ChatGPT, and that too when I feel low.
Okay. And for the reels editing or anything?
No, I edit it myself and I have my team now.
Okay.
So
they are managing. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Done. So now let's have some rapid fire chat. Okay.
Oh,
One word. Okay. A role that changed your life.
Love Station.
No. Stage or screen? What close to your heart?
Stage.
Okay. A quote you live by.
Live, love, laugh.
Oh, nice. If not acting, what would you be doing?
Modeling.
Modeling? Nice. So, what would you tell 18-year-old IUC before her first play?
Just do it.
Nice. So, thank you, IUC.
Thank you.
I'm
so
glad that you came here and
Thank you so much.
really nice conversations and all the best for your new movie launch.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me. Have a
Same here. Thank you.